Please remember that we must not clap after flag hoisting. Should be salute and then order. That's it. Okay? No clap. Please remember.
Morning to the Honorable Chief Guest, Ms. Somya Nuthanapati, Assistant Commissioner, CTST Vijayawada. We are honored to have you here with us at TPS Amravati. We, the TPS family, take the pride to invite you for hoisting national flag on 78th Independence Day. I humbly request our Pro Vice Chairman.
हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Assembly dispersed.
We, the family of TPS campus, on every Independence Day, along with our chief guest. So we would like to carry the legacy to uphold our values and honor our freedom. I would like to invite our chief guest to the proposed site along with
Hello, check. Okay. Hello, check.
Today, we gather here to celebrate the momentous occasion, our nation's sacrifices of those who fought for our freedom, and reflect on the incredible journey we have undertaken as a nation. As we come together to mark this prestigious day, let's take a moment to appreciate the freedom we enjoy, build upon the legacy of our forebears.
Today's celebrity commissioner is Central Excise Division, Hyderabad, and also works at various capacities of Deputy Director, Joint Commissioner at Commissionerate Vijayawada. Presently,
वंदे मातरम चोनु 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 वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सश्यामला मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम रे म प नि र प म प म रे म प स नि रे सा म रे स नि रे र प म प म रे स नि स रे प म
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Performance by the primary students.
हम तो बट मालूम
या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हम नाज देना हमको ये जमाना। चाहो तो हमको आजमाना। यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले। कभी चाहे तो हाथों से लेते लकीरें चुरा। ओ हमको परवाह नहीं, जो भी कहता है कहने दे, जग ये भला या बुरा। जैसी भी मर्जी हो हमारी, करते हैं ऐसी होशियारी। पर दिल से यार जो ले पुकार तो जान सार कर डाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले, छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले, दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले, उंगली पे सबको नचा दे हम इंडिया वाले। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
Given a magnificent performance. Our respected principal ma'am.
All of you, it's indeed an honor to welcome on behalf of the trustees and management members of the school, Srimati Soumya Nudalapati Garu, who has vast experience in group year services of the Government of India and is currently holding the important appointment of Additional Commissioner of CGST, Guntur. Welcome to DPS Amravati, ma'am. We are also fortunate to have our Pro Vice Chairman, and the trustees of CSCS, Sri Ramesh Garu, and management members, Rakesh Garu, Priyanka ma'am, and Surendra Garu. On this important day for all of us, today we have gathered here to celebrate a momentous occasion, the 27th anniversary of India's independence. On this embarked on a journey of self-discovery and growth. As we hoist our national flag, we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought tirelessly for our independence. We honor their legacy by striving to build a nation that is just, equitable, and prosperous for all. As students, you are the future of our nation. You have the power to shape India's destiny. Remember that independence is not just a freedom from external rule, but also a freedom to think, to express, and to innovate. Let us pledge to work towards a nation where every individual has access to quality education, healthcare, and opportunities to succeed. Let us try to build a nation that is inclusive, diverse, and vibrant. As we celebrate this momentous day, let us also remember our responsibilities towards our nation and towards each other. Let us work together to build a brighter future for ourselves and for generations to come. We have a long way since independence, but we have miles to go before we sleep. Let us all take an oath to build the Indias of our dreams, a power to reckon with in economics, military, science, and technology. You have the power and blessings of all to achieve our goals and reach our destination in the country of nations, Committee of Nations. Congratulations to all the participants, parents, and guests who are here today. Let us also pay homage to great leaders of Indian independent movement from Gandhi, Nehru, Bose, Tilak, Mr. Patel, Sitaram Raju, and many other, apart from armed forces who are protecting us from external aggression with their sweat and blood day in, day out. Thank you. Jai Hind. Happy Independence Day.
Thank you, madam, for your inspiring words. We are truly motivated. Is a tribute to our motherland, celebrating its beauty and resilience.
Subse
అవునా దేశమంటే ఏకమౌతాం అంతా ఈ వేళ దేశమంటే ప్రాణమిస్తాం అంతా ఈ వేళ
Let's put our hands together for their performance.
And now, let us not forget the younger generation. Up next, we have a special segment featuring drill performance by children who will showcase their creativity and patriotism.
Thin lines, hot sun and clear blue skies, the waves were crashing by. And when she passed me by and gave a wink and smile, and I was on cloud nine, Lord. The way you move your hips and lick your lips, the way you dip, you got me up so high. And girl, you got that body with them curls like a Bugatti, I just wanna drive, oh. And girl, you know, round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop. Fine, I can't believe my eyes. That thing can bring the tide. Hey, around and round clockwise, like a merry-go-ride. I wanna go all night. Yes, the way you move your hips and lick your lips, the way you dip, you got me up so high. Yeah. And girl, you got that body with them curls like a Bugatti. I just wanna drive. Oh, and girl, you know, like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds me up like a hula hula hoop, hula hula hoop, oh. Round and round your love, it winds
शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है जान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो हो मारे या कोई मारे ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं अरे जो भी है जैसे हैं खुद पे हम नाज है जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना चाहो तो हमको आज़माना यार बाज हम चाल साज हम इश्क बाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
Dance that we are about to experience.
सारी जान में तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे
आ गई घड़ी है देखो सबसे बड़ी मुझसे बस 2 कदम पे देखो जीत खड़ी है मुझे कब से इंतजार था आज की शाम का अब देखो क्या करता है ये बंदा हिंदुस्तान का जो किसी के भी आगे झुका नहीं हाँ मैं हूँ उस देश का बैठ के ले नजारा इस ट्रैवल और बेस का सीधा चलूं या चलूं ढाई ढाई चाल मैं खेल मेरा होगा ये देख लंबी रेस का मिट्टी का कर्ज है मैं मर के भी चुकाऊंगा तुझे मिट्टी कर दूंगा या फिर मिट्टी में मिल जाऊंगा जो भी कहा था मैं वो करके दिखाऊंगा इंडिया से हूँ खाली हाथ नहीं जाऊंगा मैं जम के पकड़ झाड़ दूंगा तुझको मैं उखाड़ दूंगा जहाँ से तू आया है ना वहीं तुझे गाड़ दूंगा तेरी जमीन पे आज तुझे ही पछाड़ दूंगा झंडा इंडिया का बेटे गाड़ दूंगा जरूर है, मुझे नाचना जरूर है माँ, मुझे नाचना जरूर है माँ, मेरी देखेगी नाचना जरूर है।
रंग केसर शूरा वाले, रंग सब्ज खिली फुलकारियां, ओ रंग चिट्टा नीयत साफ दा, ओ रंग तीनों जान से प्यारे, रंग तीनों जान से प्यारे।
रंग मेरी माई का, रंग सच्चाई का, हर अच्छाई का है माए माए माए।
रंग तेरी रीत का, रंग तेरी प्रीत का, रंग तेरी जीत का ही छाए छाए। कैसे मैं चुकावां तेरा एहसान, माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराए।
जब तक मुझ में है जरा सी जान, माए तेरी चुनरिया लहराए।
इसका तेरा नाम है साजा,
वंदे मातरम, वंदे।
सुजलां सुफलां मयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे। सुजलां सुफलां मयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे। सुजलां सुफलां मयजशीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे। सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे। सुजलां सुफलां मयजशीतलां
छुप ज्योत्सना पुलकित यामिनी, फूल कुसुमिता द्रमदल शोभिनी, सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिनी।
Thank you for the rhythm.
Have you seen this? Our Indian Army has conducted a successful surgical strike.
Oh, really? That's great. Here is a letter.
Asma? Asma! Where are you? Come here quickly.
What's the matter? Why are you so upset?
Wait, you will be upset too. Let her come. Asma!
Yes, Dad. What's the matter?
What is it? You had applied to join defense?
What? How could you even think about it?
She had applied for the exam and this is her appointment letter.
Asma, is it true? You had gone so far without informing us.
Mom, Dad, I knew you won't permit me to pursue my dreams. I had always wanted to serve my country.
There are many other ways to serve your country. Go for IAS, IPS and serve your country.
But Dad, I want to become a frontline warrior. I'm passionate about the zeal, attitude, uniform and the valor.
Asma, please understand, you are all we have. How can we consent to send you to face death every day?
If I were a boy, would you say the same? You would be proud of me, right? It's just because I'm a girl, you're not ready to send me.
Yes, you are right. Defense is not for girls and I will never send you. We are looking for a groom and you will get married as soon as possible. And you will get married as soon as possible.
Asma, where are you? Asma? Oh my God, what is this?
Dear Mom and Dad,
Please forgive me for disappointing you. You left me with no choice. I had to leave. I want to be in the Indian Army. It's my only dream since childhood. I wish you could feel proud of me. I will miss you a lot. Bless me so that I can become a brave soldier, not less than any boy. With love, your disobedient daughter, Asma.
Asma!
What is it? Why are you crying?
See this. Our Asma has left. She is gone. Our daughter is gone. Please bring her back.
No, I won't. She has left the house without our consent. She has to come back on her own. You don't worry. Do you think military training is easy? She will come back soon. Let her face the reality. She will be back.
Boys and girls, welcome to the Indian Army.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow onwards, intense training will start. You will get your agenda by tonight. Remember, there is no mercy for anyone during training.
Got it, sir.
Louder!
Got it, sir.
Stand at ease.
Sir, this is Asma Malik. I'm also a part of this camp.
Oh, really? But you are late.
I'm sorry, sir. I have come a long way.
Show me your appointment letter. Is this a joke? And you are expecting to join the army with this seriousness?
Please, sir, allow me to join the camp. I have left everything behind only to join the camp. My father didn't consent to let me come here. I have left my home. Please give me a chance. I will not disappoint you.
Okay, I will see you for a month. If you can prove yourself, you will be a part of this camp.
Thank you, sir.
Troop, I will see you all tomorrow. Be ready for the training. Dismiss now.
Copy, sir.
Leave it, yaar. They will run away in 3 days.
You are wrong. They will run away in 2 days.
Challenge.
Challenge.
Look at them. How will we survive here if they behave like this?
I'm really nervous. Shall we quit? I'm also doubtful they will not let us survive here. No, I won't quit. I'm fighting with it at my home also. Why shall we give up? Just because these men think that we are weak? We can't be the frontline warrior? If we quit, they will win. I will try till my last breath. I want to break this taboo. We are also with you.
Asma kept her promise. She didn't keep any stone unturned to complete her training. She tried.
इन गर्दिशों के बादलों पे चढ़ के वक्त का गिरेबा पकड़ के पूछना है जीत का पता, जीत का पता।
इन मुट्ठियों में चांद तारे भर के आसमां की हद से गुजर के हो जा तू भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा, भीड़ से जुदा। कहने को सर्रा है तू, लोहे का छर्रा है तू, टूटी शमशीरों से ही हो।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह रे बंदेया, हर मैदान फतेह।
कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदेया हर मैदान फतेह। कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, कर हर मैदान फतेह, बंदेया हर मैदान फतेह।
Hello?
Mom?
Asma, how are you, my child?
I'm perfectly fine, Mom. How are you and Dad?
We are also okay. I am always worried for you, and so is your dad.
I know, Mom. I am sorry for what I have done. But can I request you something? This 15th August, can you and Dad come here at our camp? Please, Mom. Please come.
This Independence Day. Okay, I will try to convince your dad.
Okay, Mom. I will eagerly wait for you.
Bye, my child.
Bye, Mom. I love you both.
Yes, sir.
Major KP Singh, Commander-in-Chief. I am Asma's mentor.
Oh, hello, sir. Where is our daughter? Is she okay?
She is perfectly alright. She has successfully completed her training. She is the best of the troop. There she is, Wing Commander, Asma Malik. You know what? We always think big for our sons, and the dreams of our daughters are often torn off. Like this. Our daughters also need encouragement, but we fail to believe in their dreams.
Yes, sir. You are right. I was wrong. And today I can say without any doubt, I am proud of her.
We are proud of her.
तिरंगा अपनी ये पहचान है। जय हिंद।
तलवारों पे सर वार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म चलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी सजाया है। के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे। छल्ला सिलते बन के कफन जद तुरिया तन के मौत नू वाजा मारे वे थर थर कपदे सारे। रे लख गाड़ दूं रे चाड़ा पाड़ दूं, रे लख गाड़ दूं रे चाड़ा पाड़ दूं। माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल दंगल रे दंगल दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे दंगल दंगल रे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। जहाँ डाल डाल पे सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा।
ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान।
What a powerful performance!
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो जय हो जय हो। सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों के गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। शोपे हो गाने दे, खाने दे, रहने दे।
जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी।
Wow, wonderful girls! Absolutely exemplary act.
जो मेरे साथ मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती, सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। सलाम माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा।
मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। मैं लड़ जाना, है लहू में एक चिंगारी, जिद से जुनू तक है जाना, हर कतरा बोल रहा। छल्ला सिर ते बन के कफन जब तुरया तन के। कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए। कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे हो चक दे इंडिया, चक दे।
Come on students, let us cheer our girls.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो, जय हो। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। जय हो। सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सरी वाले नीले आसमान के तले। शोपे हो, गाने दे, खाने दे, रहने दे।
That was absolutely delightful. A big round.
I don't want to. Good morning to all. వేదికను అలంకరించిన పెద్దలకి నా నమస్సుమాలు. And my heartfelt greetings to all the children who have assembled here, and teachers, the staff and management. Greetings, my greetings on the eve of Independence. It's a good combo. All music, dance, skit, and then pyramid. It's a good combo to witness. You all have performed well. I would like to congratulate all the children who have performed, and the teachers and the other staff who made them, who trained well within a short span. Principal madam was telling that not more than a day or two, you all people have trained. So my kudos to all the teachers and staff for giving them the training to witness what they have done today. And my salutations to the guys who have standed there holding the flag high for the entire duration of the program. It's more than 1 hour, right? You guys stood there and held the flag high. That made the program, added splendor and made the program sanctified as well. My salutations to you guys. Right. I would like to add 2 points. Why? Because chief guest means I shall add some value to the program as well. So, 2 points I told. One, the thing is 1947, we all know that we got independence, and now it is a 2024. Almost we have traveled for 78 years. In the history of country, this is not a short period. This is quite a longer period, and we have crossed many milestones. But at the same time, the people who are now in 40s, we all have witnessed the generation who had lived at that time of freedom struggle, or at least we could interact with the individuals who had directly interacted with the freedom fighters. Now, the generation who born after 2010 more specifically, it means you all must have born post 2010, right? 2024 means not more than 14 years, 15 years, guys. So 2010 means you all have lost that live witnesses of that freedom struggle. So now you people have confined only to the books. Whatever you are now reading, freedom struggle, whatever you know, that is only from the books. No live witnesses, no live individuals. Almost we lost that generation of freedom fighters. So there comes the role of the teachers and school. What I can, it's not a suggestion or otherwise being a parent, I urge the school and teachers to play a greater role, encourage the students to read more biographies and autobiographies. They definitely play a great role in shaping all your personalities. Right? Why? Because that you cannot now interact with them. You don't know how many sacrifices were made. Today, what we are enjoying, for you take it for granted. For many schools and for many students, Independence Day means a holiday. At least now you people, after seeing this all, I felt so happy being a government servant, being a civil servant. Many schools still celebrate with such an enthusiasm. It's a heart happyful thing for me. So I request you all to try to read, even teachers also, to mold students in that direction so that they can get at least that glimpse of what was passed through. That is one. First point is this one. And second point, now I don't hesitate to say that we are actually at a crossroads. So many technological advancements, ML, AI, AR, blockchain technology, so many what, we haven't witnessed a decade before. Many technological advances all have accelerated many changes across various sectors. Health, education, social, every sector. No need to mention specifically few sectors. So if we could not embrace, we will be treated as outdated. If we want to embrace the, ramifications, we are scared for the ramifications. So always the technology, the objective of the technological advancement is sophistication of life, ease of life. But at the same time, that sophistication of life is coupled with its ramifications. So kindly, teachers and school role is again, you shall train the students what to adopt, what not to adopt, to what extent to be adopted. Why? Because there is no time or need for the children to think also these days. Everything is automatic. So that much sophistication is always associated with negative impacts. So kindly train the students. In the role of parent also, we are also worried. If at all, if I do not allow my child for that technological advancement, either I'm worried that my child will be, backward, outdated. But at the same time, if I allow her, if she addicts, then it's a big question. So we are at crossroads. So hope that school and teachers will show a great path and get out of the children to from that dilemma. While selecting the technological advancements, so much caution is required. Hope that caution will be exercised by the school. Thank you. And a special thanks to management here and Surendra Garu and Ramesh Garu and Principal Madam and Priyanka Garu and Rakesh Garu for giving me this a wonderful opportunity, making my day a worthy Independence Day to spend here. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bored you.
Amravati stand here to express gratitude to all present here. A personal special thanks to our chief guest, Ms. Soumya Nuthupati Garu, for Additional Commissioner Vijayawada for accepting our invitation and for being here with us today. Your thoughts have truly inspired us and we feel honored to have you here, ma'am. I thank our I thank our Pro-Vice Chairman, Mr. Chukkapalli Ramesh Garu, for his gracious presence, which is like a blessing for all of us on this occasion. I extend my sincere gratitude to our Principal Ma'am for her strong support all the time. You create an aura of togetherness. I would like to sincerely thank our most humble, approachable Rakesh sir, Priyanka ma'am for their continuous encouragement and trust in us. Our PT teachers and our teachers need appreciation for their efforts in making this event successful. Thank you, dear teachers. I would be failing in my duties if I don't thank our dear students who have made this day possible with all the zeal and enthusiasm for their presentation. I would also like to thank all the non-teaching staff, technical staff for being here and making this day a wonderful and memorable one. Thank you once again. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, ma'am.
मुझे नाचना जरूर है, मुझे नाचना जरूर है, माँ मेरी देखेगी नाचना।